Hey yo, what up people, what's good? Your boy Bebop here again, and I am back with a new video. And if you're like me and you just picked up your iPhone 15 Pro, you probably want to put a case on it because we all know you just spent up to $1,000 on the phone, depending on your deal with Apple. But whatever it is, you probably want to put a case on this phone because even though it's made of the titanium finish, it's still glass on the back, and even though the front screen is covered with ceramic shield, it's still very delicate. So you guys probably want to protect this phone and make sure it lasts for a long time. So I just picked up these cases from Casekoo, and I'm going to be testing them out so you guys could see if they're the perfect case for your phone. I'm pretty sure they do a good job because I used to use them for my iPhone 14 Pro and they didn't disappoint. So let's see what they have for the iPhone 15 Pro. So I'm going to be unboxing them right now and then testing them out just to see if these are perfect for your iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get it. Alright, so it's a very simple unboxing. We got this one. I think this one is black. It looks black. Yeah, it looks clean. I'm not even gonna lie. And we also got the stickers right here. If you guys are interested in stickers. I'm not a fan of these. The last one I had, I just threw them away. But if you guys are interested in stickers, you get stickers in it. So I'm just gonna rush through unboxing the rest of them because they have the same thing in there. I just think they're different colors. So let's get it. So we got the next one in gray, which is good to see. And then the last one, let's see what color we have in here. Oh, this one's looking green. Oh, I'm matching. I think I match. It's not the same kind of green, but it looks flashy, it looks shiny, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get it. All right guys, so we got one in black, gray, and green. So first of all, let's see the components of these cases. So right here, we have the space for the speaker, a very wide space for the USBC port, another speaker space, the lens protection, because we all know the iPhone 15 Pro's lens are big, just like the iPhone 14 Pro. So let me put them in and just show you guys how it looks like. Boom. Okay, they fit perfectly. Let me see. They fit perfectly, if you guys could see. This black one, honestly, I feel like if I had the black titanium or the blue titanium, I would rock this. But it feels very good. But yeah, let's just continue with the components. So in terms of the buttons click properly. If you guys could hear it, the buttons click. I've locked my phone like 10 times. The buttons clicked properly. And the action button too, because as you guys know, we don't have the silent switch button just like the iPhone 14 Pro. This year, Apple has added the action button, so they also created the action buttons component for this case, and it clicks properly. Now in terms of the speaker space, yeah, it fits in properly. If you're not gonna have issues with playing music or playing anything of your choice. And then as you guys could see, we also have enough space for the USB-C ports. I'm just going to be testing the USB-C ports with this dongle right here, just to see if it fits in properly. So yeah, you're not gonna have issues with putting a third-party USB-C or anything in here. It fits in properly. Taking it in, putting it in, and taking it out is just as simple as bread and butter. Yeah, so that's how it is. I feel like everything is the same. I'm just going to explain everything on this one, and then we're going to check out other colors if they fit with the natural titanium that I have. And by the way, I forgot, I didn't tell you guys, mine is the natural titanium one. Depending on the lighting, it looks kind of white, but yeah. Other features of this is the lens protection. Just like the iPhone 14 Pro, the iPhone 15 Pro also has a bigger lens with that 48 megapixel on the main camera and the other ones as well. So as you guys could see, if you look straight like this, you can't see the lenses. Let me do it like this. You really can't see the lenses because it protects them. So if you drop this phone, your lenses are protected. Other thing is the hair cushioning technology. So this, you can't really feel your phone anymore when you're touching this side. You really can't feel your phone anymore. So if you drop your phone, you're probably not gonna have any damage. It's probably not gonna do any damage. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've actually been seeing videos on TikTok about the iPhone 15 Pro being very delicate. Like if it drops, it just goes all around the place. But I don't know if they're true, but regardless, you need the case for your phone still. Another thing I want to talk about is this space right here. I think they have, yeah, So for the speaker at the top, when you're making phone calls, there's that space up top right there. I'll probably do a B-roll for this. There's that space up top right here, if you guys could see it. There's that space up top right there. So you're not gonna have issues with making phone calls. And yeah, that's about it, I think. Oh yeah, the Magsafe technology, we have to talk about it. So it has the Magsafe and the Magic Stand. So this is how the Magic Stand looks like. If you want to make call, or you know what I'm saying, you're on FaceTime with your friend or your family. And if you also want to put it on landscape mode, if you're watching like a video while you're on lunch at work or at school or whatever, you just want to put your phone like that and you want to eat your food, easy, you know what I'm saying? And I actually used to use that with my iPhone 14 Pro as well. So it's good to know that I could continue doing the same thing with the iPhone 15 Pro. Yeah. And you could easily just take it out and take it in. And if you put it in, you're really not even going to feel it on the back. You're not going to feel it. So yeah. And if you guys are wondering, they also have ones without the Magsafe. So if you guys don't want the Magsafe technology, you're free to have it, you know what I'm saying? And if you guys are also wondering, do these get dirty? To be honest, they don't, because I have one from the iPhone 14 Pro, which has been cleaned for almost 2 months now. You know what I'm saying? I've only cleaned these once, and that was because my hands were very dirty when I used my phone. So I was like, I'm gonna clean them. But other than that, if you have these will stay clean for a very long time. I could vouch for that, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what they do to them. I don't know the kind of technology they use on them. I don't know the kind of material, but trust me, they don't get dirty. I've had some clear cases in the past. They get dirty in like 2 weeks, and this I've been using it for about 2 months or more than a month, and they still look clean. They don't fit with the iPhone 15 Pro, if you guys are thinking. They don't fit, but as you guys could see, it looks very clean still. These were the ones I had for my iPhone 14 Pro. So yeah, honestly, that's about the components of the case. I'm going to be testing out the other cases in terms of the color. I feel like this gray one is the one that I'll be using, you know what I'm saying? Because it just matches my natural titanium. Boom. As you guys could see, that's looking clean. I'm not gonna lie. Check this out. Yeah, that's looking clean. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm going to be using from now on. This is the case I'm going to be using. Honestly, another thing, I might have to like buy the clear case for myself just to like switch between, but I like this one. I'm not gonna lie. I like this one. I feel like I'm going to be at ease when my phone drops on the floor with this, because the cushioning technology is just insane. Like you could literally feel it. It feels like a pillow, like you want to sleep on it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's the gray one. That's how it looks, looking clean and fine. The green one, honestly, even though I'm matching with my Nigerian jersey, shout out to Nigeria, my country, but yeah, even though I'm matching, I'm not really a big fan of this green one. It's giving me like it's just too colorful for me, bro. Like I'm not gonna be rocking this. I don't know. I don't think I want to be rocking this outside. But if you're a person who like colors, or you're a fan of colors, yeah, these look good. I'm not even gonna lie. But it's all the same across everything. The space on the top for the speakers when you're making phone calls, the air cushioning technology, perfect. The keyboards, they press properly. You could hear the clicks. The spaces for the speakers and the USBC ports, and then the microphone as well, or the speakers as well. I don't know. But yeah, and the Magsafe technology. Boom, boom, just like that. Boom. And if you guys are wondering if they have the clear cases, something actually happened. So I was gonna get the 15 Pro Max, so I told them to send me the 15 Pro Max. So they send these to me, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys are wondering, they also have some for the clear cases. If you guys want the clear case one, I feel like I want something like this. Casekoo, please send me a new one. You know what I'm saying? I want something like this. But yeah, if you guys want one for the iPhone 15 Pro Max as well, they got you, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it for these cases, guys. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, make sure you check the link in the description down below to cop one of these in their website. And you could also use my promo code, which I'll be putting right here, to get 10% off on every purchase from their website. And by the way, guys, since I didn't get the iPhone 15 Pro Max this year, I'm going to be giving these away. So if you have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, comment down below if you're interested, and in my next video I'm going to be announcing how I'm going to be giving this away. So if you guys are interested, make sure you subscribe, so you turn on that post notification so I could give these away to you guys, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, see you guys in the next one.